Welcome everyone to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things related to productivity and innovation in the modern world. At HouseLux, we believe in a future powered by the seamless integration of technology into our everyday lives. And today, we're focusing on a topic that's critical for professionals across industries: maximizing productivity. In the year 2025, artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful tool to enhance productivity. These AI tools are not just sci-fi fantasies anymore. They are real, tangible technologies that are revolutionizing the way we work and live. From automated task management to intelligent data analysis, AI tools are transforming the professional world, enabling us to work smarter, not harder. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, makes no mistakes, and learns from your patterns to serve you better over time. That's the potential AI holds for us. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how to harness the power of AI to supercharge your productivity. Before we jump into the specifics, it's crucial to understand what AI tools are and their potential impact on productivity. As we delve into the 21st century, the term AI, or artificial intelligence, has become increasingly commonplace. But what exactly does it entail? In simple terms, AI tools are advanced technologies that mimic human intelligence. They can learn, reason, perceive, and even respond to their environment. AI tools come in a variety of forms, all of which serve different functions. Some AI tools analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, a process known as machine learning. Others interpret human speech, enabling us to interact with our devices using voice commands, a technology known as natural language processing. Now you might be wondering, how do these tools tie into productivity? Well, AI tools can automate routine tasks, freeing up time for more complex and creative undertakings. They can also provide insightful data analysis, helping us make informed decisions faster and more accurately. In the realm of productivity, AI tools have truly found their footing. Let's consider a few examples from 2025. One popular AI tool is the virtual assistant. These digital helpers, like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, can manage your calendar, send emails on your behalf, and even control your smart home devices, all through simple voice commands. Another prominent AI tool is the predictive analysis software. Companies like IBM and Microsoft have developed these tools to analyze patterns in data, helping businesses forecast future trends, optimize operations, and ultimately boost productivity. Lastly, we have AI-powered project management tools. These tools can prioritize tasks, allocate resources, and even predict project timelines based on past performance. Each of these tools, in its own way, leverages the power of AI to streamline tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance productivity. So whether you're a busy professional, a small business owner, or just someone looking to get more done in less time, AI tools can be a game changer. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI tools, let's explore how we can use them to maximize our productivity. Scene script. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on using AI tools to increase productivity. Step 1. Choosing the right tool. Navigating the world of AI tools can feel a bit like being a kid in a candy store. There are so many options, each promising to streamline your workflows and boost your productivity. But not all tools are created equal, and the key to success lies in selecting the right one for your specific needs. Consider the tasks you perform daily. Are you constantly scheduling meetings? An AI scheduling assistant might be your best bet. Do you deal with large volumes of data? A data analysis tool could be the answer. Perhaps you're looking for a way to automate repetitive tasks? There's an AI for that too. Step 2. Setting up the tool. Once you've chosen your tool, it's time to set it up. This step can be as simple or as complex as the tool itself. Some AI tools require minimal setup, while others may need extensive customization to fit into your workflow. Don't be daunted though. The effort you put in at this stage will pay dividends in the long run. Remember, the goal is to make the tool work for you, not the other way around. So take the time to understand the ins and outs of your chosen tool. Explore its features, adjust its settings, and tweak its algorithms until it's just right. Step 3. Integrating the tool into your workflow. Once your tool is set up, it's time to integrate it into your daily workflow. This step is crucial because without proper integration, even the most powerful AI tool can become just another piece of software gathering digital dust. Start by identifying the areas where your tool can have the most impact. Then, create a clear process for using the tool in these areas. This might involve setting specific times for using the tool, defining clear roles and responsibilities for team members, or even redefining existing workflows. Step 4. Training and adaptation. AI tools, like any other tools, have a learning curve. It's important to invest time in training yourself and your team on how to use the tool effectively. This might involve online tutorials, workshops, or even hiring a specialist for a hands-on training session. Remember, AI tools are designed to adapt and learn, so give them time to learn from you. The more you use the tool, the better it will become at understanding your patterns and preferences, ultimately leading to increased productivity. Step 5. Evaluation and adjustments. Finally, don't forget to evaluate your tool's performance regularly. Are you seeing the productivity gains you expected? If not, it might be time to make some adjustments. Maybe the tool needs more training, or perhaps it's not the right fit for your workflow after all. Don't be afraid to go back to the drawing board and try something new. Remember, the goal is not to replace human intelligence with artificial intelligence, but to augment it. AI tools are here to make our lives easier, not harder. So use them wisely, and they can become a powerful ally in your quest for productivity. With these steps, you should be well on your way to using AI tools effectively for productivity. Apart from understanding and applying AI tools, there are a few tips and tricks that can help you maximize their potential. So let's dive into it, shall we? First off, set realistic goals. AI tools are powerful, but they aren't magic. They can't turn a 2-week project into a 2-hour task. However, what they can do is streamline your processes, automate repetitive tasks, and provide you with data-driven insights. So when you start using an AI tool, think about what you realistically want to achieve with it. It could be reducing the time you spend on emails, making your meetings more efficient, or simply getting a better understanding of your work patterns. Once you've set your goals, the next step is to track your progress. Most AI tools come with analytics and reporting features. Use these to see how you're doing. Are you achieving your goals? If not, what's standing in your way? By regularly monitoring your progress, you can identify bottlenecks, adjust your strategy, and keep improving. Next, remember to regularly update your AI tools. AI technology is evolving at a rapid pace. New features and capabilities are being added all the time. To get the most out of your AI tools, you need to stay on top of these updates, so make it a habit to check for updates and read the release notes. This way, you'll always be using the latest and greatest version of the tool. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. AI tools are designed to adapt to your needs. So, if something isn't working for you, tweak it. Try a different setting, use a different feature, or even switch to a different tool. Remember, the goal is to make your work easier and more efficient, not to conform to a specific tool or method. Remember, the key to maximizing productivity with AI tools is consistency and adaptability. So keep at it, stay flexible, and you'll soon see your productivity skyrocket. That wraps up our guide on how to maximize productivity using AI tools in 2025. We've taken a deep dive into the world of AI tools, understanding their functions and how they can be harnessed to enhance productivity. We've walked through a step-by-step guide showing you how to effectively use these tools to your advantage. And we've shared some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of these cutting-edge technologies. Remember, the future is now, and AI tools are no longer a thing of science fiction. They're here, and they're revolutionizing the way we work. By integrating AI tools into your daily routines, you're not just staying ahead of the curve, you're riding it. You're transforming the way you work, maximizing your productivity, and freeing up time to focus on what you do best. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more informative and engaging content. Stay productive.